You just trust me, Ellie. Just trust me. Just stay there. Just trust me. I don't know. Did you put it in your truck? Just, okay. Just trust me. That's how ab dollies work. They don't actually work out your abs, they work out your dog. Oh. It's the dog on the plate. Do you love me? Ellie, Ellie, look at me. I was just trying to have some fun. You mad? Ellie, I just wanted you to have some fun. You don't have any friends. Come on, just look at me, please, Ellie. Ellie. Just, come on. Can I hug? Shake. Shake. Come on. Sit. Come on, you did it you're afraid to move because you think you're going to slip. You think you're going to slip? Ellie, look at that. Is that you? That's you. Okay, cool. See ya.